What up, YouTube? JD, the Obsessed Hobbyist here. Thought I'd give you guys a little update. There she is. Truck's going to see my cousin hopefully tomorrow. If we don't get tornadoes around here, calling for some nasty weather. But the plan is to send the truck to see my cousin Jamie, and he's gonna give her a good once over and fix a couple of things for me. And truck does have a trans leak that we think is a front seal failure. So he's going to take a look at that. That's priority number one. Got a new kickdown cable for it, and he's going to adjust the linkage for sure. And then, yeah, give her a full once over in the engine bay. And I got a couple other things if he's got time to install for me. So hopefully she'll be in much better shape when I get her back. Me and the wife did just go to dinner in it though, in town. Did a little cruise, like 5 miles or 6 miles. Pretty fun. There she is, looking sweet. And I'll give you guys a little more of an update. So the reason I'm not doing this work myself is because I really hurt my back. I have continual back issues, and I got a lot of degenerative discs and got a few in my thoracic area and my neck that are bulging right now, so I can continue to do therapy for those. But back in January, I fell in the ice when we got our only winter snow, I guess, in Illinois, and that sprained my back, and I did not know it at the time. But just 3 weeks ago, it'll be 3 weeks ago this Sunday, I overdid it for about 2 weeks in a row, helping my brother with a project. He's got a sweet K5 Blazer. We just did a full audio system in, so I was helping him with that, new interior and everything. And then Saturday I came home, did my own stuff. Sunday night, my back decided to lock up on me so bad that it sent me into shock, actually, from the amount of pain I was in, and sent me to the hospital. Through all that, I found out, I got through scans and stuff and MRIs, found out I sprained my back. I have a ligament in my spinal column that is swollen, that is touching nerves. That locked up my left hip and my, they call it your SI joint and muscle tissue that runs through your pelvis, and it locked up my left hip so bad that, yeah, I ended up taking an ambulance right to the hospital. So that was not cool. So that's really limited me on what I can physically do. So I know how to pull a trans. I know how to basically rebuild this entire truck. I used to work, I was a collision tech for 20 years and built 3 mini trucks and a couple of Mustangs and drag car and new Mustangs, and I've done a lot of stuff, some imports in between there. But yeah, I just can't do it. Like, I just replaced the battery cables on it because at my work we actually have full capability to make battery cables. So I made my own battery cables, and just doing that for 15 minutes, I almost fell over again. So it's kind of tough. So, but hope you guys can bear with me while I try to get this thing on the road this year. But trying to get my cousin to help me out. He's very knowledgeable with these trucks and new trucks, diesel trucks. So that's most of what he does. But he's got a couple F100s sitting out back. I can't remember what years they are, but he knows all about the transmission in this thing and what needs to be done. So gonna give it to him, you know, help my cousin's business out at the same time and get the truck fixed. So hopefully in about a week or two she'll be back, and then should be good to go. I got a couple other little odds and ends I'm going to try to finish myself, and my friend Robbie's going to help me get some. We're going to get side dumps on the exhaust. The exhaust right now just is turn down tips in front of the axle, and it sounds awesome, but like it just drones in the truck so hard. So to enjoy it more with my wife, we're gonna get a couple pieces of tubing, and Robbie's got a lift at his house, and with my back condition, you know, I can't lay on the ground or bend over really. So get this thing on its 4-post lift and get up underneath the truck and hopefully do a little fabrication that I know how to do, and hopefully not hurt myself. Taking my time and just a little bit at a time. So yeah, just bear with me, guys. Have a good day. Keep cruising. Peace.